Something to record.
Southern Piedmont is a special weather
Here we
station
go.
from the National Weather Service for the listening area. Increased fire danger midday Saturday through the evening.
Not yet.
Expect from noon today to
Here we
7
go.
p.m. this evening. West-southwest winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts between 25 to 30 knots expected. Where? Portions of central South Carolina and east-central Georgia. When? From noon today to 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts, strong winds, and rough waves on area lakes will create hazardous conditions for small craft. Boaters on area lakes should use extra caution as strong winds and rough waves can overturn small craft. Here is a special message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in North Carolina: Montgomery, Moore, Randolph, and Stanley. Frost advisory in effect from 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. Saturday. What? Temperatures in the middle 30s will result in frost formation. Where? Portions of the northwest and southern Piedmont. When? From 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. Saturday. Impact. Frost could kill sensitive outdoor vegetation if left uncovered. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for central North Carolina. Afternoon and tonight. Hazardous weather is not expected at this time.
Yes, I am in Moore County,
And now
so
the extended outlook for the
I
period
can catch
Saturday
it
through
good,
Thursday.
and I can still catch
Sunny.
WXL 50. Maybe this station. WXL 58. So yeah, bye.